Yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin. Hi, good morning. This is day 278 and I am running at Victoria Falls. My host calls it the ghost town because it's all empty now. That's a warthog. It's in the open. They run fast. You see that smoke? That is Victoria Falls. Damn it. Alright, welcome to the national park. You can literally feel like it's raining here. It's gonna be amazing. We do have to get a raincoat. It's wet in there. Wow. This is the guy who found Victoria Falls. Wow, amazing. Let's do this and just start. It is so powerful, my god. This is like boof, like it just goes. You have to be here to feel it. There's a lot of emotions right now. I feel really connected to the waterfall. I love waterfalls. God. Every time you see, dude, you have to be here. That's it. Like, wait for it. It's raining right next to the water. Dude, the water just comes on you, man. You're like, there, it comes again. My god, this is the 10th spot and this is how you are wet. Hey, my shoes are wet, my shorts are wet, everything is gone, man. This is 33 more to go. So that's gonna be my border crossing. I'm gonna cross that in like 3 days. That's Zambia. There's a rainbow while you do a bungee jump. That's so cool. Wow, it's done. It's all over. But it was just rainfall and rainfall. And I'm really grateful that my camera stuck by. I wanted to get so many shots, but I was so scared water will go in. But it's beautiful, man. You gotta come here. Alright, bang on. Done. Let's return this and then let's walk out. So brother, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Advance.
Huh?
Advance, my name.
I just bought from Advance this thing for my hand, obviously. And this is the beautiful one, nice. Thank you. Maita Basa or Ningia Bonga?
Okay.
What do you say?
Siabonga.
Yabonga? Nice. Brother, so I have a question.
Yeah.
Now I told you about Bitcoin. Yeah?
Yeah.
What is Bitcoin then?
Right?
What is Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is it's like we will be using the same money. But when I go to the other country, we use same currency.
And is it? And what about Zimbabwe bond?
Zimbabwe bond now is the rate is $1 to $500.
Yeah.
$500.
So what do you prefer to use?
I prefer to use Bitcoin. Yeah, because it's to be easy to make.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So do you have a smartphone?
A smartphone. I don't have a smartphone.
No?
Because I don't have money to buy a smartphone.
Okay.
Can't manage.
Nice. So, okay. What phone do you have? Can you show your phone?
My phone is this one.
Oh, this is a smartphone.
It's not mine.
It's not yours.
Yeah, I'm just caring for my brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And how's business?
At the moment, it's better. It's now better.
Uh-huh.
It's better.
Nice. Study anything?
I myself,
Huh?
like to study, like,
Do you read any books?
for sure. I'm skilled on books.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm skilled.
I'll give you one book. Will you read it?
Yeah, for sure. I like
It's gonna fulfill all your dreams.
I like novels too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a book called The Bitcoin Standard.
Constant
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Okay.
Bitcoin Standard. Bitcoin
Okay. Run with.
Standard.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna give you the book on your phone right now. I'll give it to you. Read that. Alright?
Big font. What?
I'll type it for you. So what do they do?
This guy is just for entertainment.
Okay.
They entertain you.
Okay. And how do
When the clients came to the force, they give you entertainment. If you like music, you can join them, having fun, pictures for memories.
Alright, so what's the plan?
Let's go.
Where are we going?
In the park.
Nice. So this is Sivanda, Lovemore, your call guy. You can call him directly when you're here. If you're in what do you call this, Zimbabwe, and you don't eat chicken you haven't eaten Zimbabwe.
Eating Zimbabwe, yeah. Yes, you're serious.
She's serious. This is happening. Wow. This is amazing. How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
This is amazing. Look at him. This is our crew. Where are we going now?
For the game drive. We're not going for a beer party.
This is what a host.
Open the door for me.
Alright, bro. Cheers.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, it's so cold. Oh, yo. So many. It's a full clan.